Hello folks, this is Rick. In this short video I wanted to cover a simple lesson about ICOs. In particular, what is ICO in simple terms? There's a lot of ICO explanations out there that are very technical. It's very hard to understand for beginners. So I want to cover this specifically for beginners and for those people that are just coming into the cryptocurrency market. Right quick, about myself, my name is Rick. I have been a day trader since 2006. I started learning how to trade Forex since then, and also a few years after learning, I posted a few videos on YouTube to share some lessons that I learned in my day trading adventure. So let's go to YouTube right quick and search how to trade non-farm payroll. This is one of the biggest events once a month in the forex trading industry that create huge movements in the forex market, and a lot of people make some big money during this time, and other people lose a lot of money. So almost 9 years ago now, I have posted this video. Sorry about that, I had to pause that for a second there. But anyway, in this video I have posted a quick lesson on how to trade non-farm payroll news report. And so this was posted back in April 2009. It's gained over 32,000 views in it so far, and I probably have about 6 or 7 videos in this channel that I have shared some of my techniques in trading forex. So I just wanted to share this quick info for you to let you know that I have been in the forex trading arena in a long time, which I'm mostly a technical analyst trader, even though I also pay attention on fundamentals as well. So been around the block, and I've shared my trading techniques in a lot of people through the YouTube medium. So now that you know a little bit about me, let's get back to what is ICO. So here we go, back to our main topic, ICO. What is ICO in simple terms? So in this short video, I'm hoping to cover this in a very non-technical way to cover the basic lessons about ICO. Before I do that, I wanted to just share with you this disclaimer that I am not a registered investment advisor. I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing with you my opinion about this subject. So if you decide to invest, that's on your own. Make sure you do your own due diligence, do your own research. But again, I am not a financial advisor. All right, moving forward. These are going to be the items that we will cover in this short video. I call this the ICO Lesson 101. We'll talk about how big is the cryptocurrency market, and we'll do that by comparing it with the forex market. That's why I wanted to share with you that I've been in forex market, to let you know that I have known that market for a long time now, over 11 years. And then next we'll talk about what is ICO, main topic about this video, why participate in ICO, and then also I want to give you some examples of recent successful ICO launches. And then of course we want to talk about risks when participating ICO, and then along with that, examples of recent scam ICOs, and then lastly, how you can get videos about ICOs so you can be updated on current ICOs and upcoming ICOs in the crypto world. So how big is the cryptocurrency? Now, to talk about cryptocurrency, it's important to bring in forex market, or the foreign currency trading world. In short, forex market or FX market. Currently, It has over 5 trillion US dollars in trading volume, and that's according to this website here, forexnewsnow.com. They have reported that it has daily trading volume of over 5 trillion US dollars, and this is dated March of 2017. Compare that to the crypto market. Um, Crypto market right now, the daily trading volume is over $12 billion. So you get that number from coinmarketcap.com. If you go to the website and then the left side here, you'll see the number of cryptocurrencies is currently 1,324 cryptocurrencies in the market, and then the market cap is about 351 plus billion US dollars. The daily volume right here is over 12 billion US dollars. So if you compare the two, uh, 12 billion US dollars versus 5 trillion US dollars in trading volume between the forex market and crypto market, give you an idea of um, the size difference between the two. If I grab my calculator right here, if I divide 5 trillion divided by 12 billion, um, it will tell you that the forex market is 416 times the current uh, size of the crypto market. This is important because to this date, this is the number. I have a feeling that this will grow. There are some experts out there that's saying that eventually the cryptocurrency market will be anywhere from 10 to 20% the size of the forex market. So that means that there's a lot of potential of growth in the cryptocurrency market. That's important for you guys that are just starting out to realize and see the big picture, the perspective of where the cryptocurrency market is going in relation to the forex market. All right, now that we know the size of the cryptocurrency market in relation to the foreign currency or FX market, let's dive into the main lesson for this short video. What is initial coin offering or ICO? This is a method for projects to raise funds for planning, development, and completion of project goals through the sale of coins or tokens using cryptocurrency as the mode of payment. Payment for purchase of coins or tokens are typically by Bitcoin or Ethereum, or in some situations they accept both. Now, why do people participate in ICO? One of the main reasons is to gain appreciation or growth of capital during and through the four stages of ICO, namely pre-ICO sale. Um, ICOs would like to have a pre-sale to allow for early investors to get in at a very low cost, low price per coin. And then after that's done, immediately will follow within a week or two or a few weeks after that the actual ICO crowd sale, and this is usually done in multiple rounds, anywhere from 5 rounds, 6 or 9 rounds, some even more. And then after that, once they're done with the ICO crowd sale, then the next goal is to get into the coin exchange. You have Bittrex, Poloniex, Cryptopia, among other coin exchange. Although some ICOs, they may have an exchange within the ICO itself, within their site, and that's called their internal exchange. Here I'm talking about external coin exchange where they can be traded between other cryptocurrencies. And then lastly, the goal for this ICOs is to get into the coin market cap, because market cap is like the yellow pages of all the cryptocurrencies. When you get listed there, you get a lot of publicity, and you are, I would say, you are being able to get into the big league there at that point. So this is why people participate in ICOs. At least the four main reasons, anyway. The main reason as they go through the different stages. All right. Now, next, I wanted to share with you some examples of recent successful ICOs. I know there's a few that could be added here, but I just want to share with you a couple recent ones that have been successful in raising funds through ICOs. One is electronium. I do remember when they had this for sale for 1 cent, and then once they get to the exchange, this is being traded at Cryptopia exchange. It went as high as 15 cents. Okay, so what that mean, and that only happened within a couple months or less. What they mean, if you had bought 100 coins at 1 cent a piece, and you were able to ride through the top or the peak of the sale, you would have turned $100 into $1,500 in just a short period of time. Now this component right here, the huge appreciation during this stage, this is what people uh, this is what attract people to get into ICOs. All right. Another example, recent example here is that a coin called Regal coin. You can search this on coinmarketcap.com and you can see that their price peaked at over $80. I think it went up to $89. You would have been able to buy this at $1 at the ICO stage, maybe pre-ICO stage. And if you were one of those lucky ones that were able to do that, you would have appreciated your initial coins to about 8,000% in just a short period of time. So what they mean is that if you had put in $100 into buying the initial coins at $1, for example, and you're able to sell it at the top of $80 plus, you would have turned $100 into $8,000. Now you can see where a lot of people are interested in ICOs, even though it's very high risk because of this type of returns. It's hard to ignore, although it's very, very high risk. I wanted to mention that to you guys. All right. Now, why are ICOs very risky? Very simple. There are scammers out there and they do exist. If you don't, then you need to wake up and realize that scammers do exist and they're out there to take your money. Take my money, take your money, take our money away and run. So it's not easy to weed out scammers from the real projects with real people. So now there are some great projects out there run by real people, supported by real people. So unfortunately, scammers exist, and that's why we have this. This is a recent latest flag of scam ICOs. According to the source here I have is ICO Review. We have this as, listed in their site as scam, so be careful. Scams exist, so make sure you, if you decide to put your money in, at least I do what I do is I spread my initial capital into different ICOs that are promising, that have been vetted by different sources. So make sure you follow different sources that look at ICOs and reasoning why they do and don't participate in ICOs that they are looking at. So it's important to look at different sources. Now, that is pretty much the gist of this lesson. I will be posting a lot of video content regarding ICOs, current ICOs that I'm involved now, future ICOs I'm looking at, and other updates and red flags and scams about ICOs and cryptocurrencies. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel, to this channel. I'm hoping to bring good content about this subject matter, and then make sure you click the bell. That way you get notification whenever I post videos. Especially I focus on topics like ICOs, cryptocurrencies, and in general day trading, because um, that's what I specialize on, is day trading. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Again, remember to subscribe, click the bell button there. I'm trying to keep this video under 15 minutes, and I think I'm going to be successful in doing that. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time. Have your comments below, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. You have a great day. I look forward to see you in my next videos. Bye for now, and God bless.